Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to log into your FedEx employee account. Guys, for this you need to do is open up any web browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome. Now bring up the search bar and type in FedEx employee login and hit the enter. Make sure it takes you to the official link www.fedex.com. Click on that link. Now you will be taken to the new interface, which is login form. Now simply enter your user ID over here. Similarly, enter your password over here. If you want to see your password or confirm your password, just click on show. Then you will be able to see your password. Click on remember my user ID for further use. But I suggest you guys do not try it in public computer. Once you click on login button, you will be able to access your account. In case if you forgot your user ID or password, just click on forget user ID or password. In case if you don't have any account of FedEx, just click on create a user ID. Then you will be able to create your account. This much for today guys. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.